Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue sur la chaîne du Dico. La dernière fois nous avons parlé de l'aventure de Terra, c'est par là si vous voulez voir la vidéo. Et aujourd'hui nous parlons de l'aventure de Ventus. L'histoire commence à la contrée du départ, avec les amas de symboles de maîtrise pour Terra et Aqua. Ventus fait de son mieux pour les encourager. Malgré tout, cela ne suffit pas pour Terra qui ne montre pas le symbole. Ventus est dans sa chambre. Soudain, l'alarme retentit. Un mystérieux jeune homme masqué, vêtu de noir, annonce à Ventus que son amie Terra se verra changée par le voyage qui l'attend.
Like right now, he's leaving you behind. And by the time you catch up, he'll be a different person.
Look, whoever you are, you don't know the first thing about Terra. Me and him will always be a team. You trying to pick a fight or what?
Oh, grow up. Is that what you call friendship? You'll never know the truth unless you go out and look for it yourself. Come on, what could you possibly know when you're stuck here, looking at nothing but what's in your tiny world?
Terra!
Ventus prend alors la décision de partir à la recherche de Terra pour sauver son ami de cette terrible prophétie. Sven part dans d'autres mondes et il rencontre différentes personnes. Au domaine enchanté, il rencontre Maléfique qui lui dit que Terra aurait volé le cœur d'Aurore et à ce qu'Aqua lui assure que Terra, leur amie, ne fera jamais une telle chose et qu'il ne faut pas croire les paroles d'une sorcière.
Yeah.
Ah, the truth can be most cruel, even amongst the closest of friends. After all, one never knows the secrets of another's heart. I'm sure you'll agree, Ventus. Aqua.
Aqua demande à Ven de rentrer, mais il refuse car il s'inquiète toujours pour Terra et s'enfuit. Dans les entrechemins, Ven recroise le mystérieux jeune homme et le suit aux terres funestes où il le retrouve.
All right. What did you mean about Terra being a different person?
Exactly what I said, idiot. The Terra you know will be gone forever.
That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard.
Stupid or true.
A Keyblade?
Good. Let's see what you're made of.
C'est alors qu'un nouveau personnage vient secourir Ven. Il s'agit de Mickey. À la fin du combat, les deux font connaissance.
Thanks for before. I owe you. The name's Ventus. What's yours?
I'm Mickey.
I see you've got a Keyblade.
Yup. I've been training under the great Yen Sid. He found out the worlds are in trouble, and I sort of took off without telling him.
Well, that makes both of us. I ran off too.
C'est alors que le fragment d'étoile de Mickey s'illumine et les transporte tous les deux dans un nouveau monde, le Jardin Radieux. Ven recherche Mickey dans la ville. Arrivant aux portes du château, il fait la connaissance de Dylan, Aeux et Even. Puis il croise un Nessian et Ven le poursuit. En sauvant l'oncle Picsou du Nessian, Ventus reçoit en cadeau des passes pour la ville de Disney. Il retrouve Terra et Aqua pour combattre le Nessian. À la fin du combat, Ventus leur donne des passes pour la ville de Disney.
Lifetime passes to Disney Town. He said to take 2 grown-ups.
You mean us?
Aqua redemande à Ven de rentrer, mais il annonce avoir vaincu le jeune homme masqué, ce qui surprit Terra. Cependant, la discussion change de ton quand Aqua avoue devoir surveiller Terra, sur l'ordre de leur maître. Furieux celui-ci part.
You're awful, Aqua.
So now you know the truth. But the Master loves Terra. And you know that too.
Were you also ordered to take me home?
Ventus comprit aussi que Aqua a eu l'ordre de le ramener chez eux. Il refuse et décide d'aller chercher Terra. Sur la place, il retrouve Even et rencontre Yenzo.
We have done our best to raise the boy, since his poor parents are not here to do it.
Oh, you're on your own, huh? Sir, I'm looking for a friend of mine. He's a tall guy dressed kind of like me. Have you seen him?
Perhaps I did see him in the outer gardens. Just follow this road.
Thank you.
No, thank you for keeping Yenso out of harm's way. And, well, let's say, I have a feeling we are destined to cross paths again.
Grâce aux informations d'Even, il retrouve Terra et il demande s'il peut venir avec lui. Cependant, Terra refuse, sachant que son ami sera là pour lui. Ventus retrouve Aqua sur la place et refuse de l'emmener avec elle.
Let me go with you, Aqua.
No, Ven. Do as I say and go home.
Why won't you let me?
I don't want to put you in harm's way. You understand?
Ventus se retrouve seul avec sa Keyblade en main. Il repense alors à ses journées passées avec Terra et Aqua. Sans le vouloir, il jette sa Keyblade en bois et rencontre deux nouveaux personnages, Lee et Isa.
We don't have time for this.
Lighten up, Isa. It'll only take a sec. You still play with toy swords? That's cute. Now this right here, ta-da! What do you think?
Not a whole lot.
You're just jealous. I'm Lee. Got it memorized? What's your name?
Ventus.
Okay, Ventus, let's fight.
Fight? Why would I want to do that?
You scared of losing? Come on. Hope you're ready. Yeah, now we're talking.
You're gonna be sorry. Huh? Right.
From where I stood, the only thing you drew was a big L on your forehead for loser, lame, laughable.
What? Isn't this the part where you cheer me up or something? You're just having a bad day, or that's what you get for pulling your punches. Some friend.
Oh, you mean I was supposed to lie?
You see what I gotta put up with? Sure hope you don't have friends like him.
Lee, we have to go.
Okay. Already? I'll see you when I see you. After all, we're friends now. Get it memorized.
Okay, Lee.
Ven repart découvrir d'autres mondes et se fait de nouveaux amis. Au pays imaginaire, il trouve le fragment d'étoile de Mickey qui l'emmène à la tour mystérieuse. Il rencontre Dingo et Donald qui l'emmènent voir Yensid.
Where is this clue to Mickey's whereabouts?
This feller Venquist, Venolite, Veggie,
Sure, that's what I usually go by.
Ven raconte qu'il a trouvé le fragment d'étoile mais sans Mickey. Yancy peut réussir à localiser Mickey qui se trouve sur les terres funestes.
Where'd he go? Is he okay?
There is a dark and powerful force that is interfering with my magic.
Just tell us where the king is, Mr. Yen Sid, sir, and me and Donald will go right there and save him.
You two? That may not be adequate.
But I'm the captain of the King's Royal Knights.
I'll find him. I recognize the place we saw.
And you will go with you.
No, I owe him. Mickey saved me once, and I can't risk putting his friends in danger. Don't worry. I swear I'll bring him back safe.
Very well, Ventus. We will leave it to you.
Tout en retrouvant Mickey, il croise Maître Xehanort. D'un seul coup, Ven se souvient de son passé. Il était l'élève de Xehanort pour qui crée la X-Blade.
Ah, yes. So you're starting to realize what you lost. Oh, but not for good. You had to lose in order to find. Now it can all be yours again, if you only reach out and take it. Reclaim the part that left you. Clash with him. Pure light against pure darkness to forge the ultimate key. The all-powerful Keyblade!
Keyblade.
Not the Keyblades you and I carry. Key, the most ancient letter. Some say Kai, but the meaning is the same. Death, a letter that spells endings.
And I have the power to make it?
Correct. Ericus knows it too. He knows exactly what you are.
The Master?
Haven't you ever wondered why he never granted you permission to lead his side, to grow stronger? Ericus was frightened of you. If you were to learn the truth, realize what you are, he never trusted you. Why else would he keep you within his sight at all times?
He never let me see other worlds, no matter how much I asked.
Go! You can ask the man yourself. Learn the truth, and remember you have a greater purpose!
Maître Xehanort envoie Ven à la contrée du départ pour qu'il puisse parler à Maître Heraclus, y compris que Ven savait ce qu'il pouvait devenir, tout en se rappelant ce que Xehanort avait l'intention de faire avec la X-Blade.
There is a reason the precepts bar us from such knowledge. Why do you seek the Keyblade? Would you blanket all the worlds in darkness? Reduce them to nothing?
But darkness did cover the world once, in legend. We know so little about the Keyblade War. Only that it was just the beginning. Amidst that crisis, a precious light was found. It is a curious tale, and one worth exploring. They say ruin brings about creation. So what then would another Keyblade War bring? When the darkness falls, will we be found worthy of the precious light the legend speaks of? I must have these answers. The Keyblade needs to be forged, and with it the door to the Keyblade War unlocked.
Fool. You would risk an apocalypse out of sheer curiosity? I will never allow it, Xehanort. Not while I live!
But once again, you have it all wrong, Eraqus. Darkness is a beginning, you see, not an end. At birth, every one of us emerges from darkness into a world of light, do we not?
Poetic excuses. If words won't dissuade you, only one thing will! That power! Has the darkness taken you, Xehanort?
Not your concern.
Eraqus ne voulant pas que la X-Blade soit créée, il attaque Ven. Sauf que Terra arrête son attaque et envoie Ven aux îles du destin. Ven revoit Vanitas. Il annonce qu'ils peuvent s'affronter pour créer la X-Blade. Vanitas est en réalité la partie ténèbre de Ven que Xehanort avait extrait de son cœur il y a 4 ans.
Please don't do this, Master! I'm not strong enough!
No. It is because you're trying to hold it in. Let the dark impulses waken in the pit of your heart. Release them here and now. Sharpen your fear into rage. You must. If you do not let the storm within you run its course, it will wipe you from the face of the world. Make no mistake. Do it. Embrace the darkness. Produce for your master the Keyblade! Really? You would rather die than use the power. Feckless neophyte. If I must, I will extract the darkness from within you myself. Empty creature from Ventus Riven. To you, the name Vanitas shall be given.
Yes, Master.
Vanitas donne une raison à Ven de l'affronter. Il doit venir à la nécropole des Keyblade pour sauver Aqua et Terra des griffes de Vanitas. À la nécropole des Keyblade, Ventus raconte à Aqua et Terra ce que Xehanort veut, la X-Blade. Cependant, Ven demande à ses amis une faveur.
I may have to fight Vanitas after all. If I do, guys, I want you to...
The three of us can never be torn apart, all right? I'll always find a way.
I'm asking you, as a friend. Just put an end to me.
Maître Xehanort et Vanitas arrivent devant eux. Ventus attaque Xehanort mais il fut gelé par celui-ci, Aqua le récupère. C'est alors que Break apparaît et provoque Aqua en duel. Dès que Break s'enfuit, Vanitas attaque en trek Aqua qui s'évanouit. Vanitas fut prêt à l'achever, mais Ventus intervient et le combat. À la fin du combat, Vanitas révèle son visage à Ventus, ainsi que l'origine des Nessians.
Keyblade will be forged! The inverse come from you?
It happened when you and I were split into two. The negativity took shape as these monsters. They are what I feel. A horde of fledgling emotions under my control. I released them in all the worlds I could. Hoping to lure you away from home and isolate you from your master. We needed to make you stronger. The Unversed were the perfect opponents. And better yet, no matter how many times you defeat them, their negativity flows right back into me. You never stood a chance against us, Ventus.
La fusion de Ventus et de Vanitas crée la X-Blade. Cependant, la X-Blade n'est pas tout à fait complète. Ventus prit alors une décision importante.
I've got a better idea. How about I destroy you both?
The Keyblade is made of your heart too, idiot. If you destroy it, your heart will vanish forever.
Whatever it takes. Anything to save Terra and Aqua.
It's always about your friends, isn't it?
At least I have some. I've become a part of their heart. Just as they become a part of mine. My friends are my power, and I'm theirs.
En détruisant la X-Blade de Vanitas, Ven se sacrifie pour sauver ses amis. Aqua apprend que le cœur de Ven n'est plus dans son corps et qui est endormi. Elle met en sécurité Ventus à la contrée du départ où elle transforme leur monde, tout en espérant retrouver le cœur de Ven. Mais un miracle se produit. Le cœur de Ventus trouve refuge vers un petit garçon qui avait aidé auparavant, Sora.
Hey, can you hear me?
I heard your voice. It cut through the darkness around me. All alone, I followed the sound into a sea of light. And found myself here. With you. You gave me something back when I needed it most. A second chance.
I did?
But now I have to go back to sleep again.
Are you sad?
Would you mind if I stayed here with you?
Sure, if it'll make you feel better.
Thank you.
Ventus attend le jour où son cœur reviendra à lui pour qu'il puisse se réveiller.
This place. I've been here. So warm. I remember now. This is your heart.
L'aventure de Ventus c'est terminé, j'espère que ça vous a plu, on se retrouve très bientôt pour la dernière aventure de Kingdom Hearts Progressive. Ciao tout le monde!